In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PMP to LinkedIn Mobile. Open the LinkedIn Mobile app on your phone and make sure you're signed in. On the home screen, tap your profile icon at the top left corner. A small panel will slide out. Tap your profile picture again to go straight to your profile page. This is where we'll add your PMP under the Licenses and Certifications section. On your profile, look for the Add section button and tap it. From the options that appear, choose Add Licenses and Certification. This opens the form where you'll enter your credential details. In the name field, type Project Management Professional. This is the standard title for the PMP credential and helps recruiters find it easily. Next, add the issuing organization. You'll want to enter the official organization that granted your certification. Be precise with spelling so LinkedIn can display the correct logo and link. Now set the issue date. If your credential has an expiration, add that as well. If it doesn't, you can leave the expiration fields blank. Accurate dates help LinkedIn place the certification correctly on your profile timeline. If you have a credential ID, paste it into the credential ID field. This is usually provided by the issuing organization and can help verify your achievement. If you also have a credential URL, add that too. It's optional but useful, especially when it links to a verification page. If you don't have either, it's perfectly fine to skip these fields. Your certification will still appear. You may see options to add relevant skills. Choose skills that align with PMP, such as project planning, risk management, or leadership, to help your profile surface in the right searches. If you have supporting media like a certificate file or a screenshot, you can attach it here. Make sure any image or document you upload is clear and professional. Before saving, quickly review everything: the certification name, issuing organization, dates, and any optional details you've included. When you're satisfied, tap Save. You'll be taken back to your profile and your PMP should now appear under Licenses and Certifications. That's it. You've successfully added your PMP using the LinkedIn mobile app. This small update can make a big difference in how you show up to recruiters, clients, and your professional network. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads.